Hello everyone. Designing a living room can appear like a difficult task, but it doesn't have to be. A well-designed living room should be both stylish and functional. The possibilities for sitting room design are endless, from a sofa that invites you to sit down and relax to storage that is both attractive and functional. In this video, we will discuss the latest interior design for living rooms. Select smart layouts furniture to make the most of small rooms. You need to pick out the right furniture. In a small house, each piece of furniture needs to be placed and chosen with great care to make the most of the room and comfort. It's great for small places to have furniture that can be used for more than one thing. Like, sofa beds can be used as seats during the day and as comfortable beds at night. To keep your room clear, you need these pieces that can be used in different ways. Maximizing vertical space. When designing a small house, using a vertical room to add storage is a great way to do it without taking up a lot of floor space. Wall-mounted shelves are great for showing off plants, books, and other decorative things. They make your home more useful and nice. Floating wall cabinets and shelves give your room a sleek, modern look and keep your things organized. You can easily get your things which you want. Storage units that are placed on the wall work great in bathrooms and kitchens where counter space is limited. Avoid clutter and embrace minimalism. Avoiding clutter and embracing simplicity is important in a tiny home for creating a peaceful and spacious environment. Minimalist interior design is all about simplicity and functionality. It focuses on the essentials and eliminating excess. Decluttering can help you create a peaceful and organized environment in your home. Start by evaluating each item in your home and ask yourself if it serves a purpose or brings you joy. If not, now is the moment to let go. This method not only frees up physical space, but it also improves your mental health, lowering stress and making it simpler to keep your home clean. Storage beds, sofa beds, and folding tables. Maximizing space in a tiny house is critical, and the proper furnishings can make all the difference. Space-saving furniture, such as storage beds, sofa beds, and fold-away furniture, can save lives. Incorporating fold-away furniture into your compact house can improve efficiency and organization. When not in use, these smart furniture and fixtures may be conveniently stored, saving important space. Small split-level homes for small house design. And split-level house ideas are becoming more common in compact home designs. Split-level house designs smartly leverage vertical space to create distinct living zones without increasing the home's size. These designs create distinct zones, each with its own character and purpose, by making minor modifications to floor levels. Split-level homes minimize the boxy, restricted feeling commonly associated with tiny areas by dividing a single, flat floor into multi-level pieces, making each area more accessible and aesthetically beautiful. This design method makes the best use of space while also adding depth and refinement to small house interiors, transforming limits into creative opportunities. Always use the corners in small homes. Every inch is important, and corners are often ignored even though they could be useful. How you see your surroundings can change if you know how to use corners well. Corner desks, shelves, and other furniture are great for making the most of the room you have. These small homes' interiors benefit a lot from these smart placements, which not only make the best use of space but also improve the style of the room as a whole. Adding these often overlooked features could make your home much more useful and attractive, showing that smart design is all about making the most of every room you have. Optimal lighting strategies for small space. Lighting can change the appearance and feel of a tiny area. Also makes its appearance larger, warmer, and more welcoming. Different lighting fixtures, such as small chandeliers in the living room, can provide beauty and brightness. To create a warm ambiance, use task, ambient, and accent lighting in your small living area. Choosing fixtures with adjustable brightness allows you to customize the lighting at different times of day and moods. By combining these materials, you can create a dynamic and pleasant atmosphere that maximizes the possibilities of your small living area, demonstrating that the appropriate lighting can have a big impact on both aesthetics and usefulness. Conclusion: designing a living room, particularly in smaller areas, necessitates careful consideration of layout, furniture, and lighting to create a useful yet elegant environment. From multi-purpose furniture and vertical shelves to minimalism and clever lighting tactics, every aspect contributes to space optimization while preserving a pleasant and visually pleasing atmosphere. Split-level designs, corner furniture, and folding items give functionality and elegance to small houses. With these ideas in mind, you can make your living room a comfortable and appealing area that reflects your personality. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment for more interior design inspiration and ideas.